it going, guys? We're out plowing. We got a little bit of snow. I think we got about 8 to 10 inches now. Very heavy. Lots of limbs down, trees down. The guy I have snow plowing for me, he called me and said he can't get to a couple driveways because trees are blocking the road. So it's been a lot of craziness. So we're just gonna keep trying to go around. I'm about halfway through, going around my route once, and then we're just gonna try to go around afterwards and just clean it all up. There's gonna be a lot of trees in it, so I'm gonna hang this on the windshield so you can see kind of what we're dealing with all the heavy snow and the trees hanging down. But fun stuff. Hey, at least we're out making money. That's one good thing to look at. But that's it. Hey, back to work. I just got a phone call from Mick. He got stuck in a driveway, so I got to go rescue him now. Luckily, I'm not too far away. I'm actually right down the road from him, so we're gonna head over there and get him unstuck. Yep. So here we are, the boss to the rescue. Yeah, there it is. All nice and stuck. Alright. Well, How's it going, guys? We got, I measured about 14 inches the last time I checked in some of my driveways. You see all these trees that are leaning over. It's really pretty, but my truck took a beating this storm. So, I'm ready for this one to be over, but we still have to go around and clean up all the driveways, and I had this little boo-boo. Look at that. Oh, man. Guess I gotta do some fixing. So, you hear some cracking over there. But anyways, alrighty. We're back to snow plowing.